Y'all, welcome back to the channel for another banger. Now, as you can see by the title today, I'm going to be talking about S0S Limited. But before I do that, y'all, I've been meaning to make this video for the past 2.5 weeks, but I've had a backlog of videos to edit and I'm not even done. Today, I just finished editing the OEG video, which I made twice, like in the past month. I did the DM Meta one. I did the Jivo video as well, edited that. So I think I have like 2 videos that may come out before this one, or I might just put this one out, considering it has not run up that much and there's still more room for that. But I thought it would be great to talk about a Bitcoin or blockchain related stock. And here is why. A lot of the Bitcoin or the GBT stock that I talked about before it went boom and all of that, I wanted to find a smaller stock that we can all get into earlier on so we could see massive gains. And I thought, whoa, S0S seems to be the only one that's left, at least according to me and like what I see. It seems to be the only one that has not really had a run up. And I definitely do think it has a lot of potential. Okay, now I'm going to get into the reasons why I believe so. And disclaimer, guys, I go through my videos super quick because I know people don't really have the time to watch videos. So I try to do a really basic overview of a company and whether I believe in them or not. Again, I no longer do financials, so please do not ask me about financials because you probably won't get it because I don't do that any longer. Now, the most exciting thing, at least to me, about S0S is this: the fact that it is starting the first crypto bank and crypto insurance company. Now, this is obviously very speculative because it has to work out, right? Like, it can't just be like, oh, we're starting this. You actually have to have it and have it work. But I really like that idea. Another thing is that it completed its first phase blockchain AI firewall tech and is going to start mining Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, I don't know if you guys know on this channel, but I have had Ethereum and Bitcoin and a lot of other cryptocurrency stocks since I was 17. Don't ask me how I got into that or how I did that. I'm just that kind of weirdo. So I definitely believe in crypto. If anybody wants to know my opinion on that, I don't think anybody cares, but I'm gonna just put it out there. I do definitely believe that crypto is the future and that fiat currency is constantly losing value. So like every day, right? It's losing value. And I definitely do think that we need to be invested in something that is not constantly losing value, even despite putting inflation on the side. Okay. Now, let's get into the best part of this. Okay. I'm gonna be going over their website and just seeing with you guys like what is going on. First, going to their website, you do notice that they do consider themselves a cloud insurance company, right? They consider themselves blockchain innovators serving the world. One thing to know is that this is a Chinese company, and as you know on the channel, I'm usually very, skeptical, and I do a lot of due diligence when it comes to Chinese stocks because they just lack transparency. Even though I got into NEO really early, like too early, I'm definitely still scared of Chinese stocks. But anyways, they do internet insurance service. So they combine the internet and insurance to effectively provide diversified support for users. Another thing is that they have vehicle rescue service, which is basically for vehicles to provide electrical or electricity service, emergency water, replacement of spare tire, on-site repair, trailer traction, and other services. They also have financial rescue services, okay? One thing about this company, as you can tell already, it is very diverse. And when I'm looking for a company, I do look for a company that is very diverse. If you watch my OEG video, you would notice that I said similarly the same thing. I like the fact that they're diversified in different things. They're not just, let's say, a solar company, but more so solar, wind, coal, like whatever. Like that's not what it is, but I'm just giving an example. Like just being into a few different things, makes me feel, less horrible. They also provide medical rescue services, life rescue services, and basic cloud services. So when we talk about the medical rescue service, right, they provide telephone medical consultation services, business travel rescue services for minors and elderly people. Now, when I think about this, though, it honestly has almost nothing to do with why I want to get this stock or why I actually already have a position in this stock, okay? And again, disclaimer, I'm no financial advisor, but I think this is the only stock that has not went parabolic. Like, I found Mara and Riot in the penny stock range. I did not buy into them because I already own Ethereum, I already own Bitcoin, I already own Ripple, like I already own a lot of other crypto, and I just did not want to invest my money in a crypto stock. So in my portfolio, this is definitely the first crypto related stock or that is entering my portfolio. And I would like to see how it plays out. Although I feel like we still have some more time for this company to really take off. But I do like the fact that I'm going to be focusing on mining decentralized cryptocurrency wallet and exchange technology, digital assets and cryptocurrency insurance technology, asset digitalization and certification services, decentralized financial technology, security technology based on blockchain. And I don't know what to tell you. Like, what do you guys think? Isn't this literally like enough to tell you not only is it diversified, but in the area of blockchain, they're not only mining it, but they're figuring out wallets, exchange, insurance, digitalizing your assets, and like having certifications and fintech. Like, y'all, let me know below in the comments because I'd like to know what you think. I see the potential, but as much as there is a lot of potential in this stock, I definitely also see a lot of risk, okay? This stock could very well much drop to 0. Also, it's worth mentioning that I was on Reddit as well, and I saw that it has a 36% short interest, which is obviously not good for us. But ever since I got this stock at, I think $198 was it, or was it $2? I'm not very sure anymore. I have went up a lot. It has went up a lot. As I speak, as of today, it's also gone up a lot. So I do think that there'll be a fair amount of growth, but I'm just not as sure how much growth there'll be. Like, is it going to be like the likes of Mara and Riot and GBTC? Like, will it just insanely kick the bucket kind of thing? One thing that could really also push the stock higher is if they decide to maybe facilitate like Bitcoin exchange in terms of like Visa and like partner with like people outside of China. I will fact check myself just to make sure that they actually have not partnered with other people. But as of right now, it seems that they have not partnered with people outside of China. But I'd like to see them like partner with more. So some Western banks or Visa, excuse me. So not only just to partner with them, but in terms of like shopping. So kind of like Square and Shopify, but like for Bitcoin or like crypto in general. I don't know what you guys think. I'd like to know what you guys think about that kind of likelihood. So this is one of the more speculative buys that I've said it's a buy. I also, again, do not suggest putting all your money in this, but you know, you can dip your toes in a bit while waiting for that video that I'll actually be talking about what they do have, not what they're planning to do, because planning to mine Ethereum and Bitcoin and be an insurance stock for Bitcoin is kind of not enough for me. Or I don't even think it should cut it for you guys. So I will be discussing that in more detail with another video. Okay. While you're on that note, don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video, and comment. Let's talk. What do you think? Do you think that this stock does have the potential to get out of this penny stock range, or do you think it's just going to 0? Okay. Where I'm at right now, it's more so 60-40 chance. There's a 60% chance in my head that this stock will definitely be above $20 in the coming months, or in like 0 to 2 years, or whether it'll be 0. Okay, so I'd like to know what your opinions are, what you think, and if you found any useful information that we can all use to make a decision. Anyways, yeah, thanks. Bye.